So this is one of the better places. Everything, the floor, the walls, the roof, fire sprinklers, real fire sprinklers. Everything is metal. There's nothing combustible inside here. This is one of the best. This is all sheet metal. Everything is airtight. Even if you made a bonfire in this room, it would suffocate. This room is so airtight. But getting back to what I'm looking at, so no cooling. I stuffed it down, my insulation down here. Ooh, shit. I get like 9-10 parts per million. But as I go up in the unit, now it's gonna make me a liar. Stuff it up in the unit, and we go up. So the leak is in here, and this is clean. The outdoor is so clean. I installed this back in 2013. It's a Samsung. The owner of this unit keeps it so immaculately clean. I just can't believe, even the squirrel cage wheel, I forgot to put my light on, sorry guys, but the squirrel cage up there, it stinks almost like it's brand new, and it's 8 years old, and it gets used 24/7 every day. This is one of the cleanest units I've ever seen that somebody has kept. Okay, so I'm gonna dig into this and locate the leak.